Welcome to Learn Something Now. Today we are going to make a simple and easy fake 3D world and animate it in After Effects. All you need is After Effects and a world map photo. Create a new composition. Customize as you need. And go to 3D renderer. Here make sure renderer is set to Cinema 4D. Then click OK to create the composition. Now go to the projects. And import a world map photo. Set the resolution for quarter for fast render playback. Go to the effects and preset. Search and apply CC sphere to your world map. Now it's a fake 3D world. You can customize this fake 3D world in effect controls as you wish. Now I'm clicking on the stopwatch button to animate the Y rotation. You can animate anything by clicking on the stopwatch button. When I click the stopwatch, it'll automatically create the first keyframe at where you have clicked on the timeline. Now I'm adjusting the Y rotation animation as I need. You can customize the keyframes in timeline by clicking the down arrow on the layer you animate. That's it. Customize as you wish and render it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to Learn Something Now.